What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Today we are going to be making smothered burritos.
Ooh.
Alright guys, so we are going to make our sauce for the chicken. So we started off with some of this salsa. This is literally the cheapest salsa you can find at Walmart. It costs like $1 something, but you're going to want to make sure you get a Chipotle salsa. Any kind will work. And then we are going to add a few tablespoons of brown sugar. This does have a little bit of a sweeter flavor. And then we are also going to mix in some oregano, about a teaspoon, about another teaspoon of garlic powder, maybe a little more than a teaspoon of paprika, and then about 2 teaspoons of cumin. And we are just going to mix this up. Okay, you can do it, you can do it. You just want to eat that? That's going to be a little spicy.
Okay, so in our pot, we're gonna make our sauce. We've got 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're gonna start adding some of our seasonings and let those kind of cook together for a little bit. So we're going to add about a couple teaspoons of cumin. We're gonna add maybe a teaspoon of paprika. We're gonna add a good teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to add just a touch of cayenne. We don't want to do too spicy. Okay. And one thing that I did this last time we made it was I actually added, as you guys know, we don't buy chicken stock, we just buy the chicken bouillon cubes. So I went ahead and added the bouillon cube to let that cook down with all the seasonings as well before we add the flour and then the water. Good helping, buddy. So we're going to add our flour in to create that roux paste here and let that cook the flour taste out before we start adding the water. Good helping, buddy. We've let the flour cook down, and so we're going to go ahead and add our water to it and mix. Get it all incorporated together. We're going to let that all cook together for a little bit before we add our next couple things to the sauce.
Alright, so we have our sauce simmering off to the side, and we are just going to season our chicken real quick. We're just going to do salt and pepper. We're going to keep it simple so that the flavors can really come out in the sauce. So we've got our pan heating up. We're just going to put that seasoned side down, and then we're going to go ahead and season the top side. We are just going to flip our chicken. Then we are just going to cover it and let that cook for a few more minutes.
So we let the sauce simmer for a while. We're going to add our next secret ingredient, and that is sour cream. So we're going to add about a half a cup of sour cream to it, mix it in, and then let that cook together. Hopefully you can see even as we start mixing it up, how it starts getting a little bit creamier. I'm going to keep mixing so you can see all the chunks of sour cream kind of go away, so it's not a chunky sauce.
So we got our chicken cooked and cut up. Just going to add our sauce to the chicken and then toss it in there until it is all covered.
We're gonna go ahead and assemble. So we have some leftover white rice, and so all we did is we added a little bit of that sauce, the enchilada, whatever, smothered sauce, whatever you want to call it. Added it to it to make our own little version of Spanish rice. After we get our rice down, I'm gonna add just a little layer of cheese. Yeah, at this point you can kind of make it your own. So if you do have some veggies, some onions, peppers, whatever you want, you can kind of add it at this point. Okay, I'm gonna top it with some chicken. Try to spread it out, and then we're gonna roll it up, and then we'll smother it with our sauce. Okay, not the best roll job, but rolling it and closing it. Then we're gonna go over to the sauce, where we're gonna mix it up a little bit before we pour it on, but we smother the burrito. Alright y'all, thanks for watching.